सगळे भांडवलदार सद्दां रायट आनी गोंयचे तीर करप पिसडून आमची तळी आसा 2 कुडके, शेतां आसा 2 कुडके, दोंगर आसा सपाट, दोंगरच ना, जनावरां, रानां, झाडां, तांची कत्तल इतली केल्या ती तांची गणनाच ना, लाखांनी. सी वॉट इज हॅपन्ड इन मोपा. नाव देर इज अ सिंक होल देर, नो बडी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट इट. सो दोज केव्स, ते 12 जाण त्यांचे आत्मे पळय तळमळटा आनी सांगता. इवन खपरेश्वर वॉट हॅपन, आता परत कित्याक करता, स्वप्नान येता तो दिसता तुमच्या. एनिवे, बट खूप जाळ येता आमकां. कित्येक गोष्टी आसा त्यो मोजपाक लागल्यार आमकां 1-15 मिनटां तरी जावपा जाय. त्या खातीर येयात आनी समजून घेयात. आनी कितें जाता चळवळी पेपरान दैनंदीन येता ताची नोंद करची, शासनानूय बी, कोर्टानूय बी, आनी हर एक गोंयकारान. आनी जतनाय घेवन आमी आतां जापसालदारकी मागपाक जाय. हे सगळ्या आमदाराची, सगळ्या मंत्र्यांची जबाबदारी खंय आसा हो प्रश्न आसा.
I just want to remind you all of the suo motu writ petition number 3 of 2024, the suo motu petition that was taken by the Goa High Court at Goa bench at Goa. Okay, that was a suo motu which the court had taken cognizance of, and orders were passed in 8 categories. Okay, now to neutralize that, the government has come out with this Majagar scheme. So if every order of the court is neutralized by amendments and bringing in new laws, where is the state? Where is the state of law in the state? So this is what we have to see. Every order that is passed by the High Court is neutralized by bringing illegal amendments and legislations also, new legislations. So this is one thing that I request the press to go through this and make an audit of the High Court judgments regarding illegal constructions and how they have been judgments have been subverted by the government by illegal amendments and new legislations.
स्क्रॅपयार्ड्स आसा ते कोण गोंयकाराचे स्क्रॅपयार्ड जास्त ना, खबर आसा, ते सगळे इल्लिगली वागता. दे बर्न प्लास्टिक, chemicals, and they dump anything and everything. So in scrapyard also there are no scientific methods of disposing scrap or stacking it up. आम्ही वेर्ना इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेटींग 2 वर्सां 3 वर्सां आदी आम्ही प्रोटेस्ट मारिल्लो, बोरोन पुलिसेक सुद्धा कंप्लेन घातिल्ले. थंयच आज उजो परतो पेटलो आनी हे आता लोकांक कळपा जाय. म्हणजे कितें आता प्रसंग येयलो, उजो पेटलो, त्या नंतर एन्क्वायरी कळयतले जाल्यार आमी ही वेगळी वेगळी खाती कित्या खातीर पोसता. वॉट वर्क आर दे डुईंग ऑफ एन्श्युअरिंग सेक्युरिटी टू द कॉमन गोवन. तो ताजेर चोरी जाता, ताजेर डकॉयटी जाता, ताका उजो लागता. सवलती कोणाक दिता तुम्ही? आमचे टॅक्साचे पैसे. यू आर फॅसिलिटेटिंग युअर करप्ट कॉर्पोरेट कोतेरी. I can safely say this because this has been proved in a public hearing. Adani is always right, Ambani is always right.
Sabina, I remember CMan एक स्टेटमेंट केल्लो TCPचे कन्वर्शना किंवा व्हडले प्रोजेक्टांक जी परमिशन दिता TCP डिपार्टमेंट, ती प्रत्येक फायल आपल्या कडेन येवपाक जाय. तूं म्हणपाक शकता हो CM इनवॉल्ड आसा.
Head of the state, so he is responsible, overall responsible for all the departments, and he has to know what is happening in each department. So he cannot say that department is doing or this department is doing. Now if you look at all the amendments to the TCP Act, okay, the assembly zala ni, I mean the department is doing, the CM knows about it, no? So whether it was 16B which was struck down by the court, 17(2), 39A hata, आता building rules त्यांनी amend करून increased FAR, unlimited FAR आणि height दिला, not restricting to the zone. Okay, zone एक झोनाक एक FAR असता, त्या त्यांनी restriction दवरून आता case to case basis तुज्यान ते अनलिमिटेड FAR आणि हाईट करू शकता. सो हे CMाक सांगनासतना जावचें ना. CM इज द हेड ऑफ द स्टेट. या सो रिजनल प्लॅन इतले करून सुद्धा कितें फायदो?
What do you want to say on the Karamboli this thing project is coming, a huge mega project?
See, there are lots of projects coming and our main issue is the violation. So there is a law, please follow the law. Now all these laws are made based on scientific principles. whether it is a coastal regulation zone, whether you're talking about no development zone, if then height and FAR or particular zones are made for settlement, for industry, for recreation, for educational purpose, follow the plan. So if you follow the plan, there is better planning and there is progress. Now you see GBA is going to enter has entered its 20th year, 2 decades now. And 2006 we started the movement, and yes, there was some halt, some checks and balances were there, but now it has the governance has collapsed completely.
Corruption has increased tenfold.
Yeah.
Tenfold.
There is no cap on
Everywhere.
corruption.
गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिशियल गॅझेट आसा त्या गॅझेटाचेर प्रत्येक एक आठवड्याक ज्या दिसाक 10 कन्वर्शनां
हय,
10
हय.
येदेच एक सिंगल कॉलमाक हें करून करता तेजेर तुका कितें म्हणपाचें?
तेच सांगता आमी न्हू की खंयचे डिपार्टमेंट इतले एक्टिव्ह आहा इज द TCP टू गझेट जर काडले जाल्यार changes conversion constantly, and this is the department that is making illegal money. Because if you ask people, आपणाची फायल दिवपाक इतले पयशे घेतले म्हणून सांगता.
ओके थँक्यू.